Okay, again, uh, welcome everybody. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, Caterpillar Junhank. Okay, again, this is the part 2 of this excavator PC400. When that boom is pushed down, must be the travel will be up, or they can lift. What I mean, they can force to lift up the travel. See how this travel lift up. Okay, everyone. Hello again. This is the what I told. It is a part 2 of my video on the PC400. Why that PC400? It is weak power. Once did you use the boom down. So instead that boom will be forcefully going down, and then they lift the travel motor or the truck. Okay, that happen is they cannot lift the body. So you know what happened in this valve? They should have, or they have complete things that we have attached in here. Okay, so what happened, you know what, I don't know if it is maybe someone who removed before. Okay, so you can see it is very darker. So as you can see now, this place, okay, this place I don't know how to remove. Okay, this have a small spool or bulb. Okay, so that bulb, it is missing. That is missing. Okay, this bulb is missing. This is a two piece of bulb we have here. One here. Where is that? Okay, this is the part 2. Okay, everyone, we found the problem. Why that it is internal leaking. That's what happened. So instead that the full force of the pressure will be go to the boom cylinder. Okay, they cannot because of internal leaking. Okay, so that's why that this is spring, as we can see, this is usual or unusual. This spring is from here, this area, with the spool up there. I'm sorry if I'm a mistake or something is wrong, so correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, there is one spool or bulb here with the spring, but something it's happened. Let's see. This is a fault or a, I don't know how that has happened. So the pressure, instead the pressure will be built through the spring, holding the pressure from here, because this is the, okay, this is the supply of a mercy binder. It is a pilot supply. Okay, and then this side, I think this is the return. So this mostly function for mercy binder. Okay, this is the main hose. It will be divided. It will be divided. Okay, it will be divided through this bulb. They have an spool inside. Okay, so once this bulb will energize, that came from the pilot control there. Okay, once this is a bulb will be energized, so the supply both in here will become separate. But if this is not energized, the supply in here, it will come inside together to force to give full power all the system. Okay, so will be combined from here and there. It will be combined to the inside the control valve to give the full pressure for all the function of the this pc400. Okay, that's what happened. Okay, I don't know that how that happened, why that bulb is missing. Okay, to anyone that they do not know about the function of this sensor, this is a sensing for a main pump, for which pump it is okay, I forget already, but this sensor is sensing the pressure of the main pump. Okay, one also here for the main pump and one also there. Okay, that's the exact position once this merge divider valve will be installed. Okay, this is the position. So this is it. We hope it is just a little explanation regarding about this merge divider. Okay, so we hope that this video, even this is a short part of video, this is a very important. Okay, very important. Why that boom they cannot leave the whole machine, or in any position they cannot leave the travel or a truck shoe, or under. That's what I mean is in here they cannot leave. Must be this is once did you put it down the boom. Okay, that boom you put it down, push down, must be this travel will be off. Depend on you how much you want to make it this travel or truck will be up. Okay, that's depend on you. So this is the excavator while I was make a small video or some video. I think somebody they don't understand what I'm saying about that video. This is the part 2. Okay, see more space to lift. Maybe once did you push that boom down. Okay, boom down, you see the marker at the boom from the yellow pin and the pin, and then there is a paint yellow, and the cylinder will be close that together in full position. So how much will be coming up on the truck? Okay, so we hope that this video will be a little bit helpful. So I don't know, maybe Munir before, or one of our mechanic, he was remove this valve or some, and then it can cause of missing parts. So hi, that sometimes it happen, not always, but sometimes. Okay, so maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow the parts will be arrived. So we make an order already about the parts for this bulb. So as spent for temporary, these things is standing by. Okay. Uh-huh. Again, I go back there at the place where the that merge divider valve installed. Okay, I'm here under the engine, so you can see this is the engine. Okay, that's the control valve that is in a rear side of the control valve, or in between of engine. Okay, so you can see, if anyone who do not know, or I know that somebody is some mechanic, he already see this type of situation. So I'm just only recalling to remind remind everyone to remember what we have here.